Fedor, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into a common problem that many of us encounter when dealing with technology. The issue at hand is the challenge of problem. Whether it's on your smartphone, tablet, or computer, the problem can be frustrating to deal with. But fear not, we got a solution for you. Now, let's talk about the solution to the problem. The key here is to solution. By following these steps, you'll be able to solution. It's a simple yet effective way to tackle the problem head-on. Remember, patience is key when implementing the solution, but the results will be worth it in the end. In addition to solution, another tip to consider is solution. This extra step can further enhance your efforts in overcoming the problem and ensure a smoother experience moving forward. Don't underestimate the power of solution when it comes to resolving tech-related issues. In summary, dealing with a problem can be a hassle, but with the right approach, such as solution, you can overcome successfully. Remember to stay patient and persistent as you implement the solution. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips, and leave a comment below sharing your own tech troubleshooting stories. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy problem solving.